Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make delicious roasted fish plantain with pepper sauce. Continue watching if you want to find out how I make this. I will start by mixing all the spices into the oil. I'll crush in the stock cube, add salt, I will add the white pepper powder, add smoked paprika powder, and feel free to use any spice that you like. Ginger powder, then I'll add the chili pepper. All the spices. I will stir to mix properly. In the oil, I will set aside. Using 2 tilapia fish. I've already washed and cleaned the fish. So with a paper towel, I'll be drying the fish. Drying the fish will help the marinade sauce to coat properly on the fish. So when I'm done drying the fish, I will make a cut on the fish. This cut is so important because the cut will help me to stock in the marinade sauce into the fish. I'll be rubbing or applying the marinade oil on the fish, making sure that I touch all the parts of the fish. Done applying the marinade oil on the fish, I will cover the fish and allow it to marinate for at least 2 hours or more. About 2 hours, the fish is now marinated. I'll be placing the fish on the oven rack. At this stage, make sure that you have started preheating the oven. I'll be using ripe plantain for this recipe. I've already washed the plantain, so I'll peel the plantain and place on the oven rack. You can also use yam, potato, depending on what you like. Oven to grill. Then after about 12 minutes, I'll bring it out, flip it over so that the both sides will grill properly. In the oven, I'll be making the pepper sauce. I will add scotch bonnet, red bell pepper, onion into the blender. I will cover the blender and blend. When I'm done blending, I will set aside. I have already preheated my pot. I'll be adding some palm oil into the pot. Add salt. Then I will add the blended pepper mixture. I will stir to combine and allow to fry. While the sauce is frying for about 2 minutes, I'm going to test for salt. I'll be adding a little pieces of the stock cube. Stir to mix together and allow to fry for about a minute, then turn off the heat. After about 12 minutes of grilling the fish, I will flip it over. I want the both sides to grill. I will rub or coat the fish with some of the pepper sauce, then put back into the oven to grill for about 30 minutes. Finally, the roasted fish plantain with pepper sauce is ready. This tastes so delicious. I hope you try this recipe and please don't forget to give me feedback. Thank you all for watching.